What is black body radiation? Karigumba posak amana, object amana, or any body amana, karigumba mangondagi hit or radiation natraga in the form of energy ko. Energy makal amata da. Energy se makal mayam leidra ko. It may be in the form of heat OBI, adagi light OBI ko. Karigumba अखोन हुजिक ब्लैक बॉडी रेडिएशन है करी करी नो हाई मतम दने करी गुम्बा बॉडी अमना रेडिएशन थादोरप ngamaba yare ko radiation emit tobang ngamaba natraga mangonda tarakliba body do da tarakliba radiation khara mane absorb tobang ngamagari tarakliba radiation sing to absorb tobang ngamagari adugumba body do khoina black body hana koi yare ko what is black body have a se koina ideal body amani masi mangonda tarakliba natraga mang masadagi radiation emit tobang ngamagadi adugumba body sing to black body koi अदुगी body duna radiate tawriba natro emit tawriba radiation do adubuna khoina black body radiation hana ko yare ko adugadi akoina hojiki body amalore particular body radiation emit tawbang amako black body amalore hariba black body se ma se khoina different temperature da radiation emit to hanmani ko temperature ni lore koina T2 habonga T1 habonga where T2 sine T1 dagi hena value chawe na khalasi yare ko adugi matam du du da koina graph ama ye e ko karamba graph wavelength versus intensity graph ama ye yare ko ahama kari lo koina black body ama lore mangon dagi radiation emit to hole at two different temperatures T2 and T1 where T2 is greater than T1 yare ko adugi matam du da ye ba graph se wavelength versus intensity graph de yare ko adugi graph se kari phanga ke matam da lower temperature da emit to honba radiation se madi intensity se am name intensity se low oil yare ko aduga higher temperature da emit torpa radiation ki intensity se madi am high oil yare ko so haying khoina khangau gudab se higher temperature da radiation emit torei khoi magi intensity or brightness yam samna ko brightness of the light to brightness of light it's much high oigani yam wangani aduga brightness of the light is low when the condition of the system the temperature se yam low oiragadi lower oiraba ko adu oiragadi magi mana thadok liba radiation dugi intensity se yamna low oigani adu ne koine graph se da intensity gi direction de yeng mutam yam sigi ahan bagi T1 gi sta flatten curve ama phangise ko aduga T2 gi curve sina yamna pointed curve oi high oi yamna ko yare ko so next amu yengsi next akoina photoelectric effect habam mere so what is photoelectric effect yare ko koina metal plate ama lore sigi figures de yong ko metal plate ama lore hariba metal plate sida koina light ama or radiation ama incident to hole tahale yare ko adu incident or ko matamda sigi metal plate sida electron mem yorum dini metal atoms mem yordini atom yaw leiragadi electrons leigadamni so loosely bound over metal atoms sing the over electron sing do when the light or of suitable frequency radiation of suitable frequency or light of suitable frequency falls on a metal surface the electron loosely bonded electrons are ejected from the metal surface. That phenomenon of ejection of electrons when a suitable light falls on the surface is called photoelectric effect. And the emitted electrons or the ejected electrons are called photoelectrons. Light amana tab metal surface amana tab matamda electron khara eject torib adugi eject torliba electrons da koina photo electrons haina ko yare ko aduga light na metal surface amana taraga electron emit tobagi eject tobagi process tubuna or phenomenon dubuna koina photoelectric effect haina kobuni yare ko okay then experiment ama tawre koina kari experiment toba huski photoelectric effect se masi experiment tawra kanda observe kari observation phangbono koina check to banda yare ko aduragari huski mathakta lairiba simple obse dum lorsi khara complex obse lai ko cathode anode ka yasinera kan to busu ko adudi yo aina sigi metal surface sidane ko akoin han radiation makal khar tam gre ko cosmic ray gamma ray x ray then uv visible then IR microwave radio wave kind of khar taw gre ko high level radiation sing se moi sing se metal surface da any one of them ta matam da electron eject tor kadar tor oidra haibam lai yare ko aduna sigi makha gi photoelectric experiment effect ki experiment je to matam da ne not all the radiation loinamak nadi emit to bangam de electron se karamba radiation ka tane emit to gadaba sigi electron se eject to gadaba electron se nasai bound to ga thamamba neba metal atom sing du da ko adugi bound to romba energy do thadatla ka anda adudagi hen chawba energy ma pisila kanda electron se eject to ko ngam du neba yare ko aduna electron eject to ke harabadi we need radiation of suitable frequency sigi electron si eject tawna pangamba radiation ama magi frequency chanaba legadabani adugi frequency least frequency to eject electron do adu bokoina threshold frequency haina koyeba ko number 1 say electrons are ejected from the metal surface as soon as the light strikes on its surface yare ko hekta electrons in a yay radiation in a yay baga metal surface de ko electrons eject away yare ko adubu electron eject away na hekta light khudibuna taba matam da metal surface da eject awra hybrid tawde suitable frequency legadabani madu ba koina threshold frequency haina ko yare ko minimum frequency to require to eject the electron is called threshold frequency. So if threshold frequency yaw labor required frequency se labor radiation ama metal surface sida tasilagadi hekta radiation se hekta rakpaga metal surface da ko radiation se hekta rakpaga or light se hekta rakpaga electron se hekta emit torkani eject torkani yare ko adugo threshold gi makha da labor radiation khara karigumba metal surface tugi magi threshold dakali threshold frequency do adugi makhada labor frequency labor radiation koidi electron se emit to bonga moy suppose akoina sigi metal surface dagi electron ama eject toge hairabadi yare ko yamdrabada suppose frequency se 10 hertz sangena khalase ko for example ko let us assume that the threshold frequency of this metal plate ko sigi metal plate se magi threshold frequency se electron eject toge hairabadi 10 hertz ne na khalase but laiba incident rays or incident radiation surface the tarkadoriba radiation se magi frequencies na suppose 9.56 hertz ne na khallase aduragadi electron eject tobangam gadra haibam laiba ko aduri ngasai ina haigre threshold frequency di 10 hertz laibani haina so laiba radiation which I have a frequency of 9.56 hertz cannot eject the electron out of this metal surface. Yareko. Until and unless threshold frequency yaurakanda the electrons eject or pongangani. Yareko. Aduna when threshold frequency lay required to ladiba threshold frequency say yauba radiation ama metal surface the way matam the high metal surface to the electron say eject or kani photoelectric effect tokani. So photoelectric effect thokpa se yamna thuna thoeba required threshold frequency do we are good aduna marmaga there is no time lag between the striking of light and the ejection of electrons from the surface. Light ne hek tarakpaga electron chongthokibaga ani sigi marakta matam extra time amta leiteba. Hek tarakpaga electron check the chongthokiba ko. Yare ko. Second point je for its metal ma'am leidna khoida ko. How many elements have been known to us till that? Howji phawda khoida element kya khange? Howji phawda khoida element kya khangage?
118.
118 elements discovered tawreba ko. Yare ko khoida khangi. Adu among these metals ma'am leigreba. Hariba metal singse metal surface tagi loina electron eject over yadini. Electron eject over harabadi we need threshold frequency. Yare ko. Adugi threshold frequency se metal khudimaki manadeba. Tongan metal ni na tongan frequency legani. Metal amaga gi threshold frequency manade. So yare ko. Then next point number 3 the kinetic energy of the ejected electrons is directly proportional to the frequency of incident radiation and is independent of its intensity. Mathaki diagram sida mungtang halamsi ko. Mathaki diagram sida yengsi. Hausi aina haribase light suitable wave frequency leba radiation ama tare metal surface da adu electrons eject oreba. Eject or matung de sigi ejected electrons there is photo electrons ma motion leigadra leiroidra habam live. Yare ko. Motion leragadi there should be a kinetic energy. Kinetic energy ma legadam ni. No in physics da anga hoide tamakpoda ko. Kinetic energy is the energy which is associated with a moving object. Moving object amada yauriba energy do. Maga associate tawriba energy do ko kinetic energy haina kobuni. Yare ko. Adu ragadi aina ngasai photoelectric effect thola kanda eject tawrokliba electrons that is photoelectrons magi kinetic energy se kayam yamna leigadorino haibam lai. Yare ko. Kinetic energy leigadra leirodra haina haibam lai ko. Adu ragadi ainu je hainingi bese tarakliba radiation dugi magi frequency gi makha pole kinetic energy leiba natraga leitaba haibase. If aina ngasai gi 10 hertz haiba frequency do threshold frequency do adu radiation the live radiation gi su magi frequency is 10 hertz or magadi just electrons eject or kanda tokani electrons surface dagi eject or kanda tokani kinetic energy leiroi but live coming radiation incident radiation mangonda 11 or more than 10 hertz yaurina khallase bako adu threshold frequency dagi hele threshold frequency dagi ahen frequency do adu kinetic energy oina leibada man mating pang man left ni electron gi kinetic energy se laiba light to gi natraga radiation to gi frequency na determines togani kinetic energy leigadra natraga leiroidra habas if incident ray sida yaurok liba frequency je threshold frequency ga chap mana boragadi the electron will only just eject and it will not move ling oibako ling dramnina kinetic energy leiroi but if the frequency of the incident radiation is greater than the threshold frequency then there will be some kinetic energy that means the electron will be in motion yareko adugi kinetic energy se ejected electron ki kinetic energy se karamaina hot to know habado akoi makhadi yengsiko okay ziki hot pagi se hana ulage ko tiyo ko the relation ama leiba ko kari relation no hamatam ne height se ko na Planck's constant ko ko makha da budi ibane hojiko ni yeng sidom height haiba se ko na Planck's constant ko height nu yareko nu means frequency nu stands for frequency ko height nu into sorry is equal to height mu naught plus half me v square haibam lere aduri akhoni yo sida subscript superscript kumba subscript kharta pise ngakhtang na thire thamse half mb square haibase karino hamatam da kinetic energy ne half mb square haibase is equal to kinetic energy yare ko aduga sigi h new not haibasina work function koi aduga h sida h new not se or new not se sibuna koina threshold frequency ko bune ko aduga pull up new not sibuna koina work function haina koi yare ko aduga sida ngasai ge ina aham bai gi h new se sina karino hamatam dane total energy h new means total energy of the incident radiation yare ko asigi relation ji kari kamai sagalai no haibadu de koi tamoi ko chorak pam de heramge sujiki mathaki diagram du yengasi sigi diagram sida koina kai khange live radiation se ngasai ina hagi do ko live radiation se your frequency se or frequency hydro so koina live total energy se radiation se your live energy se koina h new haina represent do ko the total energy of the incident ray is represented by h new yare ko live energy se aduga yorok level light the energy sina electron eject of the khara sina karani first ejection of electron to duni ejection of electron to matam da we need some energy to break the force of attraction between the electron and the nucleus of the atoms metal atoms present in this metal plate yare ko aduda light yorok energy khara sina thokrani ba aduga lemho energy sina kai dodino electron se motion da leibu mating pangduni adu regadi incident ray the yorok liver total energy siga the energy required to eject the electron and the energy which keeps the electron moving ani sitin sinabaduga incident ray gi total energy duga managadabani for example ama sum haise bakuna ko gari ama bike ama thogdore ko koise 1 liter haling khalasi if gari sigi mileage se yare ko gari sina liter amana thoba yaba magi distance 20 kilometer per 20 kilometer ne na haire se ko gari amana bike amana 1 liter na thoba se 20 kilometer thoba ya na khale se liter amana ko adu liter masina ma 20 kilometer di dum thogadra chapsa na thoba ngamgadra amukan ke ko question je bike ama lo reba ko koina bike ama lere 1 liter hanjile petrol adu gari se leirakpa matam dadi magi level to ko matam da hairi ko 1 liter of petrol na 20 kilometer thobo yai haina hairi adu regadi ai na sai oil pump dagi 1 liter hapche leba 20 kilometer dum thobo ngam gadai 1 liter sina 20 kilometer thobo yagadra yagadra yaroi kari yaroi de no haiba malai ko yo nasai gari do sag engine do heat up to bagi ama leirani natra maikhu oina khara su thoki smoke oina ko exhaust maikhu oina khara thoki adugi mayam do punchila ngasai aina hapkiba petrol duga mana dini gari ama thoba matam da sound puthorei sound energy ma leirani yare ko adegi gari do challenge ma matam da sinna khiba energy khara ma leirani and ma smoke oina puthokiba gi energy khara ma leirani adugi mayam do punchila kanda 1 liter na piba energy duga mana dini yare ko aduna ngasai somdege haire kiudi 1 liter na 20 kilometer per hour 20 kilometer thawi habado thawba ngamoiba because extra energy khara koina extra work khada sina thokreba mechanical work like heating up of the engine demo khara sina grani smoke oina khara chalan grani aduga gari do chalan no tamda energy khara musina grani mayam do punchilaga ngasai 1 petrol 1 liter of petrol dona piba energy total energy duga mana dini kare ko aduna akoina hojik incident radiation se magi total energy ma leini ba adugi total energy siga metal surface dagi electron eject over matam da changba energy khar chang duni electron thaba ma to hoise ko process ama to gadi we need some energy adu electron ama eject to ga habadi energy khar daka leini yare ko kari gi energy daka le diba sigi electron eject to gadori electron se hana metal na metal du da nucleus sing na fazil laga thama mani yare ko adugi fazil na bagi shakti do attractive force to thadala kanda electron se puthok tu ne adu ri mawani chingchinaba electron duga nucleus of the atom duga chingchinaba shakti do thadat pangamba energy ema changi adu thadal lamaga puthoragli ni electrons yare ko aduga energy khara changre then sige electrons amuk lenghan ba natraga lenghan da su yai ba ko adu di frequency gi makha pon ni adu lengena khalase motion da leireng khalase sige electrons adu ragadi sige electrons ne in motion da leiba matam da su energy ma associate tawgani adugi energy do kinetic energy ko bole so the kinetic energy siga and the amount of energy required to eject the electron from this metal surface ani rutin sinaba siga total energy of the radiation duga incident radiation gi total energy duga managani yare ko adugi relation duni mana sida aina ulibase ko sida ulibase so h nu haibasina total radiation ni ai makhade ilere ko total energy of the incident radiation like h nu haibasina work function or the minimum energy required to eject electron do work function ai ko and half mv square haibasina kinetic energy ni but sida me haibase subscript e tapidra ko mass of electron haibani mass of the ejected electron v or nu stands for velocity yare ko sida v ni ko sidi lady basina ko sigi v sina velocity ni yare ko sigi formula sim fazin bam change no to ho ko khoi hojik question amani try to dine sigi formula sim no to horo screenshot la horo ko makha ai kana to yara ba okay next point lactring da hojiki du da graph ani budi yek pe adu hojiki wende ai graph ama explain tor moge yare ko sida graph ama lere kana x axis na frequency of light frequency of the incident light and y axis na koina kana plot to ge matam da kinetic energy plot to electron du gi kinetic energy se ko adu gari aha mada if aina live incident radiation du gi kinetic or sorry incident ray se gi frequency se if it is less than the threshold frequency which is represented by nu not I have a threshold frequency ni ko sigi makha da leiba frequency leiba radiation ama metal surface ta taragadi electron du eject tawroi haigre aduna sigi origin dagina nu not folks hai gap ama le ni sida there will be no ejection of electron and there will ejection of electron later mina kinetic energy su le yare ko but frequency of the radiation is just magi threshold frequency ga chap mana bo regadi electron do eject or kan da to kani have ni sigi diagram sina hiding ni se ko sigi graph sina hiding ni se aduna threshold frequency ek yobu matam da kinetic energy is still zero egani but there is ejection of electron do eject okre but no kinetic energy adubu threshold frequency dagi sum chawkhalai khoi kinetic energy leiba horani so after threshold frequency as the frequency of the incident radiation increase the kinetic energy of the ejected electron also increase yare ko aduna tapna increase tarokani yare ko then next point now yengasi last point adu regadi aina sida laktri se akoina ngasai metal surface amada ne tahalliba radiation se or tarakliba light se sisna kayam yamna electron eject tawba ngamge or kanana electron masing yamna eject holaptino masing je kamaina lepa yage haibam lai adu yengsi ko sida yengsi the number of electron ejected per second second amagi manungda eject torpa electron masing se depends upon the intensity or brightness of the incident radiation tarakliba radiation dugi magi intensity natraga magi brightness tuna number of electron which is ejected should be determined akoina number of electrons eject rokadriba number of electrons hai laiba radiation dugi magi intensity natraga brightness na lepkani habni yareko but it does not depends upon the frequency that depend on them ani leireko sida ahan mada frequency disina electron eject over natraga kinetic energy leiba leitaba or electron eject over ngamba natraga ngamda vaibase kanagi makha ponba frequency gi aduga second amagi manungda electron ke hamyamne eject toke electron masing ke eject toke haibasina intensity natraga brightness of the incident radiation depend toiba adubu frequency de depend todi frequency sina kari ta ke hamatam ne electron ama eject torokna bohona matam da changma minimum energy du ta e aduga eject tokra matungda ejected electron do adugi magi kinetic energy leigadra leiroidra leiragana kayam leini or later bra have takpani yare ko aduga next akonta misna intensity natraga brightness of incident radiation se sisina number of ejected electrons takpani yare ko okay adu regadi yo asai mamang da tor makoina sigi relation se khara rearrange tok thok pe yare yare ko kamaina rearrange tok dun ham tamda sidadi sidagi akoina derive tok dun kinetic energy but we know that kinetic energy have se kari manaba half mv square ga mane yare ko kinetic energy have se half mv square ga mane so if we want to find out the value of kinetic energy then mathaki relation se khara rearrange tok thopom changi ba koina ko rearrange tok tho asi kinetic energy thame aduga sigi kinetic energy ga leminaramba term se h nu not have se equal to gi wang mata thangdokrasi adu regadi hanagi h nu haibam leijare yare ko aduga nauna sigi h nu not che equal to gi wang mata lala agadi plus sign lerambani so minus ola ni and smile ani yare ko h nu minus h nu not haina la adudi sigi ani sida term ani sida kana common oi h common oi re ko aduna akoina common oi bese lokthose common lokthose h lokthre du lemor ise kana lemore whole into mu minus mu not lemore ko h minus h whole into mu minus mu not haibam lemore yare ko so this is kinetic energy sibune bo koina kinetic energy haribs yare ko kinetic energy is equal to h whole into mu minus mu not yare ko adu gadi anka hotring da Planck's constant karamain lakpano adagi Planck's quantum theory habse karino habsa ni yengam siko Rutherford scattering experiment obo matamda cathode rays puthoraki anode rays puthoraki ba adugi rays sing do continuous oina puthoraki bane yare ko but Rutherford se failure laikre magi limitation laikre ko aduna next model se sagat pe arak na ba Bohr's model se sagalak pe yana na ba mathang lakpa matam da ko dagi quantum mechanical ke tare quantum gi oiba quantum mechanics na atom gi structure is talak ni ba adu gi do lakpa yana na ba marak to laktingi marak to thoki ba ngak ni sigi sing je ko adai da Planck ko bu pam thole mana Planck's quantum theory of radiation habum hawdore yare ko magi feature sing se ziki hariba theory sigi feature sing se kari no hana yeng hꯧजिकतसु अखोइना तमखिबा फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट हाइबदुमदि खंगेना खलगा नाउ ब्लैक बॉडी अमदगी रेडिएशन से इमिट तवी नत्रगे एब्जॉर्ब तवी सो हाइग्रे को अदुना रेडिएंट एनर्जी अमा हानदि रादरफोर्ड हाइरमबदि continuous form the puthore have an radiation or energy have a say continuously ma putho have but now radiant energy is not emitted or absorbed continuously but discontinuously in the form of small packets of energy called quanta hanadi continuous on energy se puthomani yare ko adu hojikti discontinuous oreba hari pulap lagtreba ko machet khaido ga lai energy in the form of quanta akoina quanta harib se ko adu kari guma sigi quanta have a energy se light ki case to agadi akoina photon haina haigani photon means light ko adu ga light ki case light oramaba radiation do light ibudo akoina light ki oragadi then mangonde associate to live energy do akoina photon haina kogani so the quantum of energy is called photon in case of light next point next features the amount of energy associated with a quantum of radiation is proportional to the frequency of light or radiation ko directly ba radiation dugi total energy se high light natraga wave natraga radiation dugi magi frequency ga directly proportional hoini yare ko so sigi proportionality symbol se lokthok ke habadi equal to the onthok ke habadi then we have to multiply by a constant amana multiply to gadabani yare ko so E proportional to mu have se koina mu means frequency duni ko proportionality symbol select to equal to half chale so proportionality dagi equal to half ke rabadi akoina constant amana puri gadamni sigi height chaiba constant amana multiply to chale adugi height se koina Planck's constant koi it has a value of 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules second yare ko magi heights ki value na sida leijare ko aduna quantum amamda Europe energy say E is equal to h nu. Total energy in a quantum E is equal to h nu. Here ko. Adu agadi if quantum sit 10 quantum la ena khalo. Here ko. Adu agadi 10 quantum la agadi multiples oirani ba. Sigi energy sig. Here ko. The total energy emitted or absorbed by a body will be some whole number multiples of quantum. Energy se koi packet am khakta di lakto budi na tiu packet mayam lakto ni ko adugi laiba packets mayam sing se amam da h nu e is equal to h nu e is equal to h nu yorok tu ni adu if 10 quantum la agadi 10 quanta la agadi adu de associate to godori total energy to be emitted or absorbed is equal to n times of h nu ga managani where the value of n can be 1 2 3 and so on 1 OBI 2 OBI 3 OBI 100 OBI 1000 OBI ko masing live ni matugino n gi value se change to gani okay again sigi equation sidong lao de demo E is equal to h nu haibani but we already know that the relation between c there is velocity of light wavelength and uh, frequency of a radiation is c is equal to mu lambda correct from this arrangement of though akoina mathak de yori mu se magi mahutta c by lambda haina hapsin bi. Now we get is equal to height c divided by lambda. Ko aduri akhoi equation ani je khangjin gadabani sigi equation jing yam darkar leirani anka holakpa matam da ko karam sinna gadori bano haibudi question gi matung ina sinna kani ko. Okay.